say that UK manufacturing is doing well in spite of the government doing nothing and very little. I don't think that there are many or any incentives that manufacturing companies are able to tap into. There have been over time, and it doesn't matter what colour the government is. It's the theme of the moment. You know,
Yeah.
I find it bordering between amusement and feeling incredulous that every time any government in the UK makes a big announcement, they do it from a manufacturing company.
Yes. Yes.
It just happens again and again. It might be a food packaging company, or it might be an aerospace company, or it might be a robotics company, but it's always from a manufacturing company, not from a financial house or from an HR company.
Yeah.
Yet, how many ministers do we know actually have a bearing towards engineering or manufacturing or a qualification in any of those areas? It's no surprise, really, because the focus of the government at the moment, any government in the UK at the moment, would be around protecting the assets of the UK, projecting ourselves internationally. And I don't think the core themes of manufacturing really enter into that. There's a lot of particularly online chatter about there being no industrial strategy for the UK, no minister or senior appointment specifically targeted with bringing the concerns of manufacturing and engineering to the government. I just don't think it's a theme that's right up there at the top. There are other priorities right now. And you could say that's right or wrong, but from a manufacturing perspective, it's true that the companies are doing pretty well. Those that have survived the kind of the storms are doing pretty well, despite the fact that there's no real leadership or governance at a national level.